On the scene since 1995, Constant Contact is one of the biggest email marketing software providers in the world. However, does its experience translate into a great product, and what is it missing? Stay with me to find out. Hey, I'm Roberta from Email Tool Tester, and welcome to our Constant Contact review. Constant Contact is one of the more expensive tools on the market. Its pricing is based on the number of subscribers you have, and there's only 2 levels to choose from. Though both plans come with unlimited emails, you'll find the cheaper plan to be quite limited in that it doesn't include automations, event management, or surveys. There is also a $25 to $30 a month difference between the 2 plans, which will surely make you think twice before upgrading. Unfortunately, there's no free plan or pay-as-you-go options, so I definitely recommend trying out their 60-day free trial before committing. Let's take a look inside to see if its prices match its offering. The dashboard is pretty simple, showing you your most recent campaigns and performance data. Everything you need is easily accessible through the menu, or you have the Create button right in the middle here. When you create a new campaign, you're able to choose from a few options, including autoresponders, landing pages, surveys, and more. Let's first take a look at the email editor. You have a number of decent templates to choose from, like this cool GIF. The range of features you can add isn't bad, and you have plenty of options to get your layout just as you want it. The editor itself is fast and easy to use. You can add and delete sections conveniently, as well as use spaces and dividers to get clean and distinct sections. Though there's no design or spam testing available, the Check for Errors feature is quite handy. Once you're ready, schedule or send your email. Okay, so what about sign-up forms? Well, you have a number of options for your site or social media accounts. I'm going to go for an inline form. You can add contact fields here and set them as required or not, and add the list you want your users to be subscribed to. Unfortunately, you can't add any custom fields, and your styling options are pretty limited. If you want to check out how your emails are doing, you can do so under the Reporting tab. Everything you'd expect to see is here, like clicks, opens, etc. However, it would be nice to see some heat maps, geo-tracking, and social media and e-commerce data, for example. Let's see if Constant Contact automations will offer more than its reporting. It includes your standard autoresponders like welcome messages and automatic emails sent to users on special occasions. But I'm looking for something a little more advanced, so I'm going to go into Automation Series. Okay, so there are no templates, which means we have to set it up from scratch. Let's say that I previously sent subscribers an email about an ebook, and I want to send a follow-up message to those who showed an interest. I'll select the trigger, the email I sent with the link, and select the correct link. You can then create the series of emails you wish to send them. Pretty simple. In fact, that's a good word to describe Constant Contact automations. Simple. There are very few triggers available, and you're lacking if and when conditions for follow-on emails. If you're serious about automations, then I wouldn't go with Constant Contact. ActiveCampaign would be a much better option. A couple of other features to be aware of are Constant Contact's Social Media Planner and Website Builder. It feels pretty convenient to have everything under one roof, though I'm not convinced the builder is better than dedicated website builders such as Wix or Shopify. As I just mentioned, the niche features may be useful for some small businesses, and having things in one place avoids needing to use multiple services. Another benefit of Constant Contact is the simple interface and fast email builder, and the chat support is pretty quick. And the cons? Constant Contact's prices are a tough sell. Not only are they some of the highest in the industry, but it also offers the least advanced features. It's extremely mismatched in this respect. The areas it needs to improve are the form editor and automation options. They're both much too basic for an email marketing tool that's been around for over 25 years. Overall, Constant Contact is difficult to recommend. If it were at the bottom end of the pricing scale, it might make more sense. But you can get so much more for your money nowadays. Sendinblue and MailerLite both offer decent features at a low price, and ActiveCampaign provides a much better service for a similar price point to Constant Contact. You can find links to our reviews of these tools in the description below. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, feel free to give us a like. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment. Thanks for watching.